Here's everything I want for fall 2024. Before we get into this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Cotton for sponsoring. Seriously, one of my favorite brands to work with. We'll talk about them in a little bit. Okay, so I always make a wish list in my phone of things that I'm eyeing, what I want to find secondhand, and I just decided that I was going to share it with you guys. Some of these follow like some fall trends in my eyes, just like fall things I like. I've already spent a lot of time looking for these things too. A lot of them, I want them secondhand or vintage, and that means you've got to like take your time and know that you're not gonna have it maybe this season. So there's that. Let's do this. I don't think my fall trends video is out yet, or maybe it is. If it is, one of like my fall trends or things that I've been loving recently is the color raspberry. It all started with this raspberry sweater that I had actually gotten from Cotton, funny enough, last winter, and I wore it all the time. I was just obsessed with the color. I loved how it looked on me, and I loved how it paired with everything in my closet, so it made me realize that this was a color or kind of a tone, like section color that was missing in my wardrobe. So I wanted to get some more raspberry pieces. I don't think the raspberry sweater is available anymore on Cotton. Maybe they'll bring it back in the winter time, but I couldn't find it on their website. I had these on my wish list, and I actually put them on my wish list on ShopMy. If you guys don't follow my ShopMy, I'll link it in the description. I basically like put all my clothes there and the links to them if I can, or similar links, and when I want something I put it in the wish list tab, and these were in there if you follow me on there. I knew this video was coming up, that I'd be working with Cotton again because I love Cotton. I picked up these raspberry jeans. I think they are so cute. They literally spice up any outfit. They're giving like, in probably 2010, neon like skinny jeans were really trending, and maybe they weren't trending in like the real world, but I was wearing them. They were like Tumblr-esque with your Vans, and I had like bright ass neon yellow and like pink and green skinny jeans, and this is like the adult version, the toned down version, but you pair this with like a t-shirt and it looks cute. I don't know, I've always been a fun pant girly. I liked the like those Zach's Potts glitter pants. I still have like my set from Bond Studio. If I ever went to like a bachelorette party, I'd probably wear that little outfit. Like, it's just so fun. Or like my cheetah print pants, like my snakeskin pants. I love a fun pant. This is just like a day-to-day way to wear it. Yeah, I think if like you were hemming and hawing about like the cheetah print pant, go for like a color pant. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one or like raspberry, but I love the fit of these. They're just like a really cool stitching where it's almost like blue and red mixed in. I don't know if you can tell. I love it. I love the contrast stitch. I love everything about them. They're super comfortable. If you guys don't know about Cotton yet, they are an amazing brand. They're certified B Corp. I'm like just going off the top of my head, but let me get the facts, because every time I like read more about Cotton, I become more obsessed with the brand, and I want to shop more from them, and I want to support them in every way. So Cotton, starting even from the farms to supply chain to the materials, is all amazing quality and practices. But one of my favorite things is the ABC program. In rural Egypt, where the Egyptian cotton is grown, 32% of people can't read or write. With the farms that Cotton works with, they realized that education was something that their children weren't able to receive easily. So Cotton started the ABC program. Since today, they've funded 21 schools, built 15, with 88% of the girls enrolled. Each Cotton order, a portion is donated to the program, investing in the farming community's long-term growth. I think that is so cool, and like it just actually brings me so much joy to learn that. So I got those jeans from Cotton. And then I also got this little denim skirt. I've been so into an A-line denim skirt. I have like a lighter wash one already, so this super dark one is beautiful. I love the brown stitching. This is a size small, and then the jeans are a size, I think I got them in a 26. Oh, here. Yeah, a 26. I wanted them just the tiniest bit bigger so I could pull them down. These trousers that like, even the tag, like it's just such good detailing. They're like wool, dark gray trousers. You can't go wrong with these. I got rid of all of my trousers when I was in a closet purge of my life and I regret it so much. So I've been having to stock up again on all my trousers because I wore the crap out of them. And then this is just like a sweater I know I'm gonna wear to death in the winter time. It's just such a good cut. The material is amazing. It is not itchy at all. It's just amazing quality. And it's like a good, thick, heavy material. I would sweat to death in it now, but I can't wait to wear all those pieces. And yeah, thank you again to Cotton for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to shop anything from Cotton, you can use the links in my description box. And don't forget to use my code LaineyOzark15. LaineyOzark15 for 15% off. Let's get into the rest of my wish list. Next thing I really want is a suede bomber jacket. I feel like last fall I was struggling with like what jackets to wear. Even in the winter I kind of struggled. I have a lot of like long trenches. My life is different now. So going to the park and chasing a toddler in a long trench coat is literally so irritating, and I get so easily flustered with like excess fabric, and I'm like overstimulated times 5,000. So I can't wear any of my long jackets, even like my long puffer jacket. It's just too much. And I really don't have a lot of shorter coats. I'm like looking at my coats right now. That's why I'm not looking at the camera. Yeah, I think a suede bomber would do the trick. And I have like suede jackets from my mom that I really, really like, but my mom was smaller than me, so she could fit like a sweater under her suede jacket, and I like go like this in my mom's suede jackets. Like I'm the Incredible Hulk, and I think I'd like rip them open. So I can't wear sweaters under them, which like I'm not wearing a t-shirt under my suede jacket, because then if you get somewhere and you take your jacket off, you know what I mean? Like a bomber is just so much more my speed right now. It's comfy, it's casual, but you can dress it up and down. It looks good with denim, which like I don't think puffer jackets look good with denim. I don't know why. I hate a puffer jacket with jeans. It just feels like, I don't know, I don't like it. But suede and denim is like a match made in heaven, and I feel like I don't have any jackets that look good with denim. That's what I've been looking for, a suede bomber in particular with a zip, like a high neck, and it has to be like the darker tanned suede. I want it off eBay or like, you know, secondhand obviously. So that's scary because suede is really hard to wash, and what if it smells like urine? You don't know. What if it smells like Coke Zero? Next thing I really, really, really want. But this one might be fleeting because I'll do this thing where I see something and then I get tunnel vision on it, and it's all I can ever think about. So if you guys don't know, I do personal styling on the app Index, and I styled one of your wardrobes, and oh my god, she had the most amazing wardrobe I've ever seen. I'm gonna put some of the outfits I made because I didn't like just screenshot her wardrobe because I'm not a weirdo, but you can see the items she had in this closet. And she had this Fendi bag, this Mama Fendi embroidered bag. When I looked it up, like you can't even get it anywhere. It's sold out everywhere because it's vintage, and like the places that do have it, it's like $1,500 because it's like rare. I'm not getting that, but I really want this style of bag. I want like a black bag with like colored floral embroidering on it now, but like I literally want, can I just send out, I'm gonna get another Poppy Listman bag, and I just want to send it out and have someone like embroider the crap out of it. You know what I mean? Like that, this is exactly what I want. This is like my favorite bag in the entire world. I don't know why I haven't gotten a second color yet. I kind of like try and not get two things in just different colors because I feel like I should add more variety in like a different way. But I love this bag so much. If they made this bag in brown suede, I would definitely get it. And like even that would do with like color, I don't know, embroidery, but I don't have any bags that are more than one color. All my bags are just one color. And I feel like if I had a multicolor bag, it would just add so much to my outfit. And especially in like the fall and winter time when, you know, you have to wear a jacket over everything and maybe you don't have like a ton of different jackets or a ton of different fun jackets. A fun bag is like the way to do it. Even like a cowhide. She also had the Fendi Mama baguette in the like pink cowhide, and I was like, I need that too. I didn't even look up the price because I'm not getting that. When I was pairing her outfits, it was like, okay, normally I would just pair a black bag with it, but then you add like a pink bag or just like a multicolor bag of like fun bag, even a printed bag, and like It added so much to the outfit. Like a cheetah jacket and an embroidered bag is so cute. I know the studs are really big right now, and like an embellished bag. I don't want that. I want like multiple colors. So yeah, I've spent, I think, around 3 hours scouring eBay, Depop, Poshmark, whatnot, all of them for like a bag like this, and I can't find one because I'm so picky. Oh, she had the best closet ever. It was like the worst thing for me to ever see. Okay, next thing that I've been wanting for a bit now is more like silver chunky jewelry. I say this because my mom recently gave me her little Swiss Army silver watch, and I wear it 24/7. You can't see my tan line, but I have a tan line from it. I just love not having to look at my phone for the time. Like crazy. I have a lot of like gold chunky rings. Even this ring has like gold in it. It's vintage. It looks a little bit more silver, but all my jewelry is gold, and like especially a big like dome ring. I don't know, like big chunky silver jewelry would be so cute because I like my big chunky gold jewelry and I still like that, but I want to wear my watch. I have to wear my watch or I do this and I look crazy. You know, you would think just like get a gold watch, like then you don't have to get all new jewelry, but no, I want to wear my mom's watch. So also I need a haircut because I have no like volume up top. Can that be a wish list? Volume at the top of my hair? My daughter is gonna have the prettiest hair in the whole world. Oh my god, she has like banana curl ringlets. It's beautiful and I'm so jealous. And it's getting so long, it's like you could literally like, you know, just pull them and they bounce back up. Brandon, my boyfriend, has really curly hair, so she's a lucky ducky. Next thing I really want for the fall time is mohair jacket, and Etsy has a lot of really cool mohair like handmade multicolor hats. I got this beanie last year. Now I can't even remember what brand it is. I don't know. It's a skate brand or something because I got it for my brother for Christmas with a pair of pants that he said he wanted, and then the hat came in and I was like, oh, Jackson's not gonna like this. So I put it on and I wore the crap out of this little striped beanie. I seriously adore the fall and winter time to wear a beanie 24/7 because especially since having a baby, I don't get to wash my hair as often as I'd like. I think adding like a little bit more of a brightly colored striped beanie would definitely be the move, and like these mohair ones are just so pretty. Mohair was like a pretty big trend a couple years ago, and I think it still is trending. I even have this like mohair I got, well, my brother picked me up, I bought it from South Africa. It's More Mo Love by Moors is the brand, but like even this just like adds so much to every outfit. So imagine like, you know, a little beanie like this would add so much to just like an all black or an all gray outfit, something like casual. So little mohair beanie, and that would obviously fall into like winter category as well. And that was something that I was even wanting last winter. I wanted that sweater last winter as well, but I had to wait till my brother was gonna go to South Africa because then it felt like an excuse to get it. And I didn't think he was gonna go back until this Christmas, but he ended up having to go back for work, so I was happy that I could get my little sweater. Next thing was something that, again, I was wanting pretty badly last winter, so it feels like I can justify it now because I waited the whole season and no, I still want it. Also right now they would be on sale, but it's a puffer jacket. It's like so lame and like boring. I really want a fun colored puffer jacket. I gave my Aritzia puffers to my cousin because after college I really wasn't wearing my puffer jackets anymore. I kind of was just like, oh, ho never gets cold mindset. I have to play out in the snow now with a toddler. Last winter, oh my god, I was out there every day building snowmen and pulling her in the sled and all that kind of stuff. I love it, obviously, but I didn't have a puffer jacket, so I'd put like 3 jackets on, and you know, she was so bundled, could stay out there for years, and I would get so cold so fast. So I really want a puffer jacket. I also think I could style them pretty cute. I have like the very long puffer jacket, like I said, but those are annoying to like walk in, and even getting in and out of a car in like a long trench or a long puffer is so annoying. So I want like just a normal Aritzia Super Puff, I think. Those were my favorite, and that's what I have in the like super long version, which I still like that if it's like, you know, tundra cold out, but I think just like a normal puffer jacket, normal length would be the move. I don't know what color yet, that's so stressful. And also, why do Aritzia take their puffer jackets off for the summertime? Like, what if I was going to Antarctica and I needed to buy a super puff? I don't know, I'll probably get it off Depop anyways though, so I can get a deal or something, and people sell them, I have some saved. I just haven't decided the color yet, probably like pink or purple or blue. Probably pink or purple. But that's it for my fall wish list video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you, bye! Mwah. Thank you.